Hello, good morning here. It is now October 28th. It's a Monday of 2024. And this is my first attempt, well, first video recorded attempt to make a backup power supply to be used during electrical blackouts, which would be very useful. And this attempt is unsuccessful, but I'll show you why. And my next attempt should be successful. The problem is with this battery down here. I'll show you. So right now I got it plugged into the wall. This battery charger down here. And it's keeping this battery charged. And it's connected to this inverter. And it's going to run this little light bulb, only 7.5 watts. And this battery charger here. It's hard to see anything on it. And I'm going to prove to you that it does work when this battery charger's plugged in, but that would be no good during an electrical blackout because you would have no power. But I'll explain as I show why it's not working. So now I guess I can turn it on and show you what happens when I unplug the battery charger from the wall. So here we are, turn it on. And there's the little light bulb on. Now I can turn this on to 12 volts. And it's charging. Oh, you can't see the scale on there, but I can see there a bit. It fluctuates a bit. It's because there's two chargers going. So, this would keep going all day if necessary. And, the current levels coming from the battery chargers, I don't know about this one down here. You can see the red needle on there too. And this one fluctuates a bit. Very difficult to see. Very difficult to see. Let's see what I can do here. Yeah, there it is. You can see it moving there a bit up and down. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is unplug this from the wall. But first I want to mention I even tried to use a step-down transformer, which would be better, I think, than using these transformers here, because they don't use step-down transformers and they suck a lot of current from the wall, because they provide more current to the battery for faster chargers, stuff like that. And for that one down there, supplies I think 70 amps if you want to start your vehicle in cold weather. But here I connected to a bridge rectifier, and I couldn't. I think it would work, but the problem is with this battery is I'll show you at the end here when I measure it. So now I'll unplug it here. And we're going to watch what's going to happen over here. Oh, the light went off right away, real quick. So the battery charger. So we can just turn this off. Now, I'm going to show you what the problem is with this battery and why it turns off. So it's on DC volts. Oh, how am I going to do this with only two hands? Okay, I have to set this down for a moment so I can connect it better. There we are. Okay. So as you touch the two probes on here, and look what the reading says on the meter. 10.41 volts DC. Now that's the problem. It needs about 12 volts for that inverter to come on. So that's why it shuts off. And with the battery charger plugged in, you know, I'll just plug that in again and show you how much it shows with the battery charger on. There it shows 13, 14 volts. When it's turned on, we'll just turn the switch on again here. There's the light on. Yeah, the charger's going. And now we'll measure what it says. And it drops down to 12.6 volts. I don't know why exactly, but could have something to do with this being on too. And it takes the average of the two chargers. So next thing I'm going to do is go up to my garage, or I have a GMC diesel truck that has two batteries in it. And what I'll do is disconnect the terminals from the one battery that I'm going to use. And I know it's got enough voltage in it to turn this inverter on. And I'm going to prove that it's going to work. It's going to work much better than what I got here anyway. And we're going to run that little light bulb and then this. And then I'll step up. If it works, I'll step up to larger light bulbs. And then, you know, the fan on the electric heater. There's one there. And then the higher medium heater setting, or that iron there, would work 700 watts. And, you know, if I'm successful getting some heat, a heater to work, then we really got something here. Okay, I guess that's enough on that. So thank you very much for watching. Good day.